Look at this.
Oh my god. Free.
Giant.
What did we get?
This is the horn bar. One of the most important things we need.
The what?
That's the horn bar. Okay guys, we got the horn bar. Looks real nice. That is nice.
This is the whole mechanism.
Oh, even the horn.
Yeah, you just connect this to the horn.
Ah.
We have to figure out how that goes on. But look at how nice that is, huh?
Yeah, that's nice. Got the carpet in there. Got our horn bar. Got a brand new air filter because the other one didn't really fit and probably worn down. So let's go see.
I'm gonna get a new one of these.
Good, yes, good old fashioned opener with a screwdriver. Let's get this good. Yeah, that one's nasty. Or something. Yeah.
It's the same one, but it is dirty. There you go.
It's connected.
It is connected?
Yeah, but the connections connect down there.
Can you pull
I
it?
could pull them right off.
Can you? Hold on, hold on.
Boom.
Are we going to be able to reconnect it?
Yes, it's the same exact. Right?
Can you can get the wires down there to connect. Huh?
Yep. Bye bye old horn bar. We're trying to get this to go right. Because when you put it in, this one is flat, but that side is not.
I don't think this is going to do much other than... Okay. Check my connections. Check the horn.
There we go. Let's get it in there. That side's good. Is it the rubber part?
So that one grabs it good.
Yep. Finished product. Sides to stick out a little bit.
That one grabs it good.
Alrighty.
Plug the left one into the left.
It was like opposite. This clip type
Yep. There was this was the last one.
was
you
down
pulled.
here.
Yeah.
But I don't know where that connects. Yeah, clip. Okay, y'all, so here is the finished product of the horn bar. Check it out. Hang on. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Did a beautiful job. Fits right in there perfectly. Look, it works. Look at that. Looks perfect. Nice and flush. Matches the steering wheel. Looks great.